Welcome back. Today we will understand user management in FDM software. The user created by the signup are the admin type users. They are actually makers. They make screens, alarms, reports, and user type users. Let us log in with admin type user and see how admin manages users. Remember, the type here would be admin. Now, go to the user management navigation menu. Add new user. Actually, these users will access the dashboards. There is a security level assignment. It is used to decide the access level of the user. We will talk about it in some other video. User can be activated for limited time of period or for unlimited period of time. Admin have the right to disable the user anytime. Admin create more than one users if required. Once the user is created, admin can assign the dashboards. Now the time is to link to dashboards. There are two options, static and dynamic. Static are just headings under which you can bind the dynamic pages. It helps in making the hierarchies. Dynamic pages are the real dashboards which will be assigned to a user. Aliasing is also possible. Now let's check by login through user type login and the user you just created and assign the dashboard. Here you can see the user is getting only single page in the menu, which was assigned by admin. From profile, user can set its profile image, change password, change the color and fonts if he wants. Admin can assign and arrange a dashboard for users. User can only access the dashboards. Use static headings to arrange the dashboards in order. Thanks for watching.